The silent prayers and resounding gongs of the Garden Tharpa Choling Monastery welcome you to the land of white orchids. The monastery was established in 1912 by Domo Geshe Rinpoche Gawang Kalsang, renowned for being the ancient trade gateway between India and Tibet, is a home to young monks who are groomed by the preachings of Lord Buddha. This land of blooming orchids, thick pine forests and lush green valleys, Kalimpong is truly a tourist's paradise which boasts some of the most luxurious state tourism properties for a perfect getaway. The properties located on quaint hilltops provide the best amenities one could ask for. One can go for the wonderful hilltop property, or to the heritage Morgan house that once belonged to British officer Lord Morgan and his wife Lady Morgan. Even Tashiting property happens to be breathtakingly picturesque. Leisurely strolls in the Kalimpong market, interactive sessions with friendly locals, to buying spices and warm woolen garments at the local stores at half price are just some of the fun activities that one can engage in. The highest point of Kalimpong is Delo. It has a well-manicured park and possesses a viewpoint overlooking the meandering Tista. A haven of floral paradise, Delo is a fun day trip. One can also take a tour of similar parks like the Lord Buddha Park, the Hanuman Park, or even pay a visit to the Hanuman Temple. One can take a car ride down from the Delo Hills to Kalimpong Science Centre. Kalimpong has been home to some of the best public schools in India. Dr. Graham's Homes is one such example. It is a century-old institution initially built for orphans by Reverend John Anderson Graham. When it comes to food, Kalimpong provides you with a plethora of delicacies. One can drop in at a local food stall for a plate of fambi, or the pork sausages near the bus stand, or maybe freshly baked cookies from local bakeries across the town. Pine View Nursery is home to a variety of thorny cacti where one can not only learn about them but also purchase them if they want to. As for mementos, Kalimpong is a place where one can find exquisite utility crafts made from Himalayan handmade paper. The McFarlane Memorial Church was built by Reverend William McFarlane and was opened to service in 1891. This church and the Mangal Dham are some of the unique architectural structures of Kalimpong. A visit to the Dara monastery is also a must. It was built by Durjum Rinpoche. The traditional lepcha song and dance will surely give you an insight into the culture and traditions of the place. However, what will surely take your breath away are the beautiful paths carved onto hills and dotted with pine trees on either sides of the road. Some of it leads to Lolegaon, which is just a 2-hour drive from Kalimpong. Located at a slightly higher altitude, a visit to the hanging bridge is a must for all adventure lovers. As one bids goodbye to Kalimpong, one cannot help but notice the lovely children singing praises about their home.
This